Today we're at Exotech and we're reviewing the HD400C. This is a 5-axis small hole drilling EDM machine with 1 micron resolution. Now this unit can also be equipped with 8 or 16 tool auto electrode changer. Now let's check out some of the key features that makes this a highly sought after EDM machine. This is the perfect machine for fast, accurate cutting of complex workpieces. Now, not only is this a versatile machine, it also comes with a PC-based controller for multitasking and user-friendly operations. For more information about this machine or the whole range of Exotech EDM, please give them a call today.